Hi guys, we have the one, the only, Jay Gordon. Say hello, give him a round of applause.
I'm so excited to be your muse today. Now it's my turn.
He really is such a pretty boy. You know that term?
Oh my goodness,
pretty
thank
boy?
you. Yes,
Same
I
thing
love
for
that.
you.
My favorite compliment.
He's a pretty boy, honey. Today we decided that we want to give you a little male contour, a little placement, a little drag but natural.
A little boy makeup. Okay, I'm down.
Let's get started. Who would I be without the Lumiere? So we're gonna scoop out a little dollop back of the hand. Activation.
The cream of Lumiere, there's nothing like it. Am I glowing for days?
You really are. So this is Dermacolor. This is Professional Creams Stage Makeup. And we're going with our handy dandy
Bobbi Brown.
BOBBI.
Ooh.
BOBBI is a good one. So with Jake, we want to make him structured, but like, you know when you go on FaceApp and then you put like Hollywood, you know what I'm talking about?
This is the Hollywood filter IRL.
This is the Hollywood filter IRL, for real. You know what I'm talking about? That like manly, masculine chisel that it gives, but you know that like no one's face really looks like that.
Yeah.
Contour and highlight it like that. So first and foremost, I'm going to use the contour dual-ended brush from Toolbox Beauty, as you guys know.
Of course.
So this specific contouring brush was created for placement and for you to be able to drag it on. Since he is a little bit lighter, we're gonna go over here and I mix 3 colors together. I pick it up and I am going to really beat it into the brush. If you know, you know, pack your brush. So I wanna sculpt his forehead. He is going to an event today, so we want to make him sculpted, honey. But do you see how like when you just drag it?
Yeah. This is so good for underpainting. So do you usually underpaint?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like my thing. So then the Hollywood filter kind of comes like this. It's not like a feminine contour. It kind of just goes like that.
Oh.
And since we're underpainting, it needs to be warmer. Here's like the thing about underpainting. You have to use a warmer tone because you're placing something over. If you use an ashier tone, it's going to look muddy. You have to use a warmer tone. We're gonna go in with that nose contour, chin down. The purpose of these contouring brushes is you literally drag them. And for him, I'm going to pull it into his brow, drag up into the brow. And then you're gonna flip the brush like this, blend it down. I'm going to get a little bit of a darker tone, look straight. I am just going to contour his eyelids underneath this part as well. Also with the lighter tone, we're going to go around his lips so the lips have a little bit of a halo. The reason why I like to do this in photographs, like how we said, the Hollywood filter, IRL, especially for men.
Oh my gosh, wow.
Using my small little brush, I'm going to go like that, just on the hairline and pushing it in. Going back with a contour brush, smearing that in. Now we have 2 tones mixed in. Going in with my smaller brush again. Underneath this part, just putting a darker one. Turning that sideways. Blending that away. Going in with my concealer brush, picking up on D2, blending D2 on the back of my hand, warming it up, then going back in with D51, blending that into D2. And we're just applying the lightness where everything needs to pull out with this tone. It's a really saturated cream and doesn't separate much if you blend it the way I just showed you guys. Also, it's so opaque. It looks like it's coverage when there's like not a lot of heaviness to it. It's just the tone. So we're filling in the light part everywhere the contour is not. Since it is a male forehead, I feel like when you do circle, like a half moon, it's a little feminine. So what we're going to do is a upside down triangle. Using the same tone, I'll go down the bridge of the nose. And that way the nose doesn't look like it's just floating. It has somewhere it belongs. So now, RCMA, you can't fight me. Like literally fight me in the comments. Nothing better with a La Mer and RCMA combo. So I'm gonna go in with Shinto 1 with this brush. I'm going to grab it like that. Make sure I really get the pigment. I'm just going to bounce it. Think of it as a blender. You're bouncing it. And then we're gonna do circular motions up. We're gonna use 2 tones for it to make sense. We got the 1 in place. We're gonna go in with 2, which is a little bit darker. And I'm gonna go over the contour now. Using a pouncing motion. Going into the detailed areas. Eyes. And ladies, like if you're makeup artists out there, this is a great map to use if you're doing Hollywood grooming. And it's really just about the blend. And then now I'll go in with the concealer brush. And you're just pushing it in with the denser side. For example, look at this side, it's blended. And then that side still needs blending. Need a little eyeliner. Was right. Now I'm gonna smudge. Going back on the lighter tone. That's on the back of my hand. The reason why I do this, it just like mimics real skin. And just in the center of his eye. Using the Skin Mimetic concealer in the light 3 color, picking up on my concealer brush and really beating that concealer into the brush. And just where he needs it. Makeup Forever Ultra HD powder using my little highlight and powder brush, and just a little bit, not too much. The powder is really finely milled. Sorry, it goes like everywhere.
No, you're good.
You just apply it with this brush. Chapstick, Mario Badescu.
You like this one?
I love this one, but I like to wipe it off after it's like done its job.
A little mask.
Tangelo by Painted is a really pretty color. It's like, it looks very aggressive orange, but it's not. It almost like complements the bronzer tone, just very lightly. Get that? It just like brings it to life a little bit. Only thing I will set now is the colorless RCMA powder. I'll grab the Toolbox and then almost right there. This is like a good way of blurring your 5 o'clock shadow too. And then with the rest of it, just with the residue, I'm not going to do too much of it. Both of them are colorless powders. Using the Anastasia Fragile.
I love this one.
Me too. while we're waiting for the colorless bake, you're gonna grab a stick of Aquaphor. Now, I want skin back, but then at the same time, I want to apply the shine exactly where I want the placement. For example, I want it to look a little bit more masculine, so I wouldn't do a highlighter down the bridge of his nose. If you make it appear wet, it will naturally have that play of light. And I like to build this with multiple textures, not just with this. You guys will see. Take your time with this. Don't rub because it could move the makeup around. You have to tap. Also, I'm gonna do it, close your eyes, on his lids. Kind of want like a wet look, but not really. And since we didn't put too much on his lids, you won't have too much creasing. You're so pretty.
Oh, thank you.
Out of here.
I feel so pretty. This contour is amazing.
Very lightly pushing that powder in. So then the contour looks aggressive, but at the same time, it's pretty diffused. Taking the Skin 111 All Day Radiance Mist over the Aquaphor. You're gonna do that on the jawline. Ooh, gorgeous, stunning.
Thank you. It is gorgeous, stunning, beautiful.
So we're really prepping Jakey to go on a red carpet right now.
Yeah, this is gonna look so good.
And you have to send your red carpet photos, your Getty images, so we could see. A couple last steps.
Eyelashes.
Yeah, look down. I think it just opens up the eyes. With brown mascara, specifically brown.
Oh my god, I love brown mascara.
Look down. Close. One last step.
Dalba.
Dalba honey.
We love.
Just on his lower part of his face. He has this amazing lip liner that literally matches. I mean,
This looks so good.
who are you?
I'm a different person. You transformed me. This is like the bronze sculpted like model Jake.
You definitely look like a A-list celebrity ready to hit an exclusive red carpet with your Hollywood 5 filter on.
I love it. Hollywood 5 for real.
Hollywood 5. You know those people that like
yes.
put it, save it, run it through one more time because it wasn't enough?
It's like unreal. So good.
Let us know if you guys liked videos like this in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.